Hello, and in this video I will show you how to customize your toolbar in PowerChart or Cerner. First things you want to do is right click on anywhere on this toolbar and then you press customize, left click, and this window appears. What you want to do is you'll see there's multiple bars in here. Some are customizable, some are not, but from here what you can do is you can grab any of the buttons and move it wherever you like it to. So you press hold and drag, let go, that's where it's going to be. The first bar you cannot do that, so this first bar always stays the same. However, all the other ones, I think this is still part of the first one, so there's a total of 3, but this one you can move around and then this one you can move around. And when you do close it, it goes back to this, and you can grab it here. As you could see, the 3 dots over here. When you hover over it, it turns into this. You left click and hold, and then you grab. So this gets a little tricky, but you'll see this move, and then if I were to go up, just with your mouse, so with your hand, you could see how you can, I'm still holding it and I'm dragging it, okay? So I can have these buttons hidden like this. So let's say we're gonna go up to a message center here. I'm gonna let go, and then same thing with this. I'm gonna go ahead, I'll hover over this, I'll press on it with that symbol, so left click, and then same thing here. You can bring it up just like so, and as you could see, this is the second bar that I'm covering those buttons. So let's say we're going to up to job aids. I'll let go here, now it's going to stay. And then this right here is the message center. When I press on this and I drag it over here, just like so. So as you can see, now it's a single line. It gives you a lot more real estate to work with if you're on a smaller monitor. And the thing what I wanted to point out is, again, right click customize. See how it's back to, seems a little confusing, but this is the first bar, this is the second bar, and this is the third bar, okay? So let's say if I do want to have clinical key here, and let's say job aids, just like so, and I'll show you where they appear. Let's say here, let's say your team member would like to use a calculator, and a patient pharmacy, and let's say medication administration. So I'm going to put them right over here, and you'll see when I close this, remember where we were talking about exit, pharmacy, medication, so you can put the order the way you want it, and then here clinical and job aids. What I like to do is I like to grab this here, and I'm going to move it past this one. So what I like to do is have, unfortunately there's a record button here, so I can't move this one, but I would move it to here, and then this I would move over here. For any more information, feel free to comment, subscribe below for more tips on Cerner. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.